What is research? What is inquiry? Research starts with inquiry, your natural curiosity to ask questions and understand the world around you. But what exactly is research? The word research comes from the French term chercher, meaning to seek, and the prefix re, which means again. Literally, it means to seek again. In simple terms, research is a careful, systematic, and organized process of collecting, analyzing, and interpreting information to answer questions or solve problems. Research helps us discover new ideas from existing knowledge so we can improve understanding and ultimately improve the quality of life. Real-life examples of research questions. A grade 10 biology teacher in Atlanta asked, "Are discussions more effective than lectures?" A grade 7 student wonders, "How can I improve my study habits?" Scholars explore topics like impacts of social networking on student behavior, how grade 10 learners develop as peace builders. Research begins with a question and ends with knowledge. Aims of research. Aside from improving quality of life, research aims to verify existing knowledge, acquire new knowledge, apply knowledge to real situations, develop the researcher's expertise. Characteristics of research. Research is realistic, based on observable facts, logical, follows systematic reasoning, cyclical, ends with new questions, analytical, breaks down data carefully, objective, free from bias, critical, evaluates ideas deeply, and replicable, can be repeated by others. These qualities make research credible and trustworthy. Ways of knowing. People gain knowledge through different ways. Through sensory experience, what we see, hear, or feel. Agreement with others. Beliefs we learn from society. Expert opinion. Information from knowledgeable authorities. Logic. Reasoning using principles and evidence. These ways can sometimes be misleading. That's why the scientific method became essential. The scientific method ensures that research conclusions are based on evidence, not assumptions. The general steps are: 1. Identify a problem or question. 2. Clarify the problem. 3. Determine what information is needed and how to collect it. 4. Organize the information. And 5. Interpret the results. This process is systematic and cyclical, helping researchers uncover reliable truths. The general types of research. Basic research. It aims to clarify underlying processes, seeks to extend or build theory, generates new ideas or strengthen existing ones. Applied research. It solves practical problems, tests the effectiveness of programs, strategies, or products, and applies theories to real-life situations. For the research designs serve as the blueprint of a study. They guide your research philosophy, your strategies of inquiry, your methods of data collection and analysis. Choosing the right design depends on your research problem, your experience, your target audience, and there are 3 main types of research designs. First, we have the qualitative research. It explores views, meanings, and experiences. The characteristics are: it uses open-ended questions, collects data in natural settings, uses inductive analysis, produces rich descriptive reports, and flexible structure. It helps us understand the why and the how behind human behavior. The second is a quantitative research. Quantitative research examines relationships among variables using numerical data. The features are: it uses instruments to measure variables, uses statistics for analysis, it employs deductive reasoning, and it follows a structured format. Introduction, literature, methods, results, and discussion. It answers questions like how much, how often, and how many. The third one is the mixed method research. It combines both qualitative and quantitative approaches. It uses two data types. It integrates both to strengthen findings, and it provides a deeper and more comprehensive understanding. It is especially useful for complex problems that require multiple perspectives. Research is not just a school requirement, it's a powerful tool that helps us solve problems, understand our world, and make informed decisions. By mastering inquiry and research, you become an active creator of knowledge, not just a receiver. If you found this lesson helpful, please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you won't miss our next videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episodes, where we continue your journey toward research excellence.